we are in front of the Royal Palace in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I'd like to give you a brief review of the history of Cambodia. As the war was being lost by America in Vietnam, in 1975, April, the U.S. withdrew from Cambodia. After America left, then the Khmer Rouge government came in, led by Pol Pot, which was a genocidal regime. When the Khmer Rouge came into Phnom Penh, they evacuated the city and made the entire population of about 3 million people in the city go to the countryside, where they were going to be forced to give up all capital, all money, and go to work as peasants. T.M. Chooney is Director of the Americas in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Cambodia. He is a survivor of the Khmer Rouge years. He describes what happened on the day the Khmer Rouge captured Phnom Penh.
In the evening of the 17th of April 1975, we were living in a situation which was terrible with everyone, because we learned that the Khmer Rouge had come to surround Phnom Penh. The Khmer Rouge soldier began to send people out of Phnom Penh at the gunpoint. And those who did not obey that order only had suffered death. They used only bullets. One Khmer Rouge soldier came with a bare body. He was only short, but with 2 pistols at each hand. He came to me, and then he pointed his pistol to my forehead by telling me that within 15 minutes you have to leave, otherwise you will face death. He told me that, well, you're leaving for good. You have no chance to come back. If you want to, they want to kill you, they use this motto that to keep you, it is no gain, and to kill you is no loss.
And intellectuals and foreigners, people that had been involved in the government, were rounded up and taken to Tol Seng prison and were tortured and executed in the killing fields. Today this is called Tol Seng Museum in Phnom Penh, capital of Cambodia. After Pol Pot took over April 17, 1975, they transformed it into a prison called S21, or Security Office 21. It's surrounded on the outside by double walls of corrugated iron, barbed wire, and what they did was took thousands of people, prisoners, those that had been involved in the former Lon Nol government, and men, women, children, imprisoned them here, turned the classrooms into cells, put up barbed wire so that there'd be no desperate attempts to commit suicide. There was a slow death, slow torture. They photographed everyone. Thousands of people came through Tol Seng. They were tortured inside their remains, the photographs of people on the verge of death. This is the extermination camp at Chong Ek, otherwise known as the Killing Fields. In 1980, 86 of 129 mass graves were unearthed here. This is the major extermination camp of the Khmer Rouge, who under the leadership of Pol Pot led a genocidal regime that massacred an estimated 1 million Cambodian people. It's the largest extermination camp. Cambodians were brought here from Tol Seng prison. Many of them were brought out here and bludgeoned to death. And as we walk around, we can see bones still sticking out, protruding from the ground, bits and pieces of cloth, clothing. There were 8,985 bodies that were found here